gonna be there too.
They're already there.
Oh, wow. Here we go. Have a great day, everybody.
See you in 6 hours.
Alaska Highway, winding in and winding out, fills my mind with serious doubt as to whether the dude that built this route was going to hell or coming out. Kiskatinaw, you hear that? Okay, we're gonna go see a bridge that is no longer in use here in British Columbia. So we're gonna go check it out. It's an old wooden bridge. It looks really cool. Mark and Amy are over there doing pictures.
It's the only curved wooden bridge.
Oh, sorry. It's the only curved wooden bridge, and they're gonna take it down.
See, when they said curved, I thought it was curved like this.
Oh. Here it is. Let me show it to you. Pretty cool, huh?
They're like this.
Oh, I'm going
like
down.
12s or whatever.
Look, I can smell. What am I smelling?
Probably the creosote.
Woo!
How'd you figure that out?
You just look at the wood.
Well, yeah, I know, but you don't know how thick it is. How thick? I guess.
Well, let's go down below.
Look over the edge.
No, Mark, don't jump.
Let me push.
Ah, it's so peaceful out here. I don't know if I'm supposed to be walking this far, but oh well. If I fall through, I gotta go on a diet. But look how pretty. Those guys are still back there. Trying to figure out how thick this wood is. Wow, when you walk out this way, you lean this way.
Oh, yeah, because here's the hole for the water.
2x8 at the max. Could be 2x6s. Man, this is so cool.
Just spending a good day, right?
Yepper.
Dawson Creek,
Dawson Creek, British Columbia.
on a bridge that we can't pronounce.
Yeah, we'll tell you later.
We'll show you the spelling. How's that?
I can spell it, but
But we can't say it.
it's pretty amazing out here. I mean, today is actually beautiful. It's kind of wicked windy. Right now we're in here in this valley. It's kind of not bad. Stunning. Yesterday it was cold and cloud covered and almost rainy, you would think, but then today
It's good.
I don't know if you can see the blue sky. I don't know if it's coming out, all that blue for you, but blue sky, wispy
Oh yeah.
clouds up there.
And there's our
that we-
friends Mark and Amy.
Yeah. Say hi, Mark and Amy.
Say hi.
You're on YouTube.
Woohoo!
The
Hey.
best part about this is
Oh,
you
the
can smell the creosote,
creosote.
in
Woo!
these boards. Woo, strong.
It is very strong
But they're taking this bridge down apparently, because I guess the substructure's kind of getting rough, and plus they don't have cars going on it
anymore. No.
anymore. So it is beautiful, and
Yeah.
if you get to visit before they get it taken down, swing by and get some photos and videos.
See ya.
Okay, Jen and Elliot, we'll tell you what the spelling is in our comments, but we're on this bridge. It's the old bridge from the Alaska Highway.
Original.
The original. They're closing it. They closed it down, so you can't drive across it, but it's the only wooden curved bridge in Canada.
Look how beautiful it is here. But this is pretty much all of British Columbia is similar to this. The trees, the water. Good sunshine. All right, picture time.
What used to be the road. So cool. I mean, it really doesn't look that bad. I guess the structure that's the problem is below us.
Some of the rot.
Aw, aren't you so freaking cute?
But that's what's so cool.
So cute.
Is they
I think these bad boys are like 10 by 10. Those are probably 4 by 12s, 4 by 14s that they used. The construction's crazy. Basically with 2 piers holding this whole structure up out there by the water. Crazy cool. Hopefully it's turned on.
Want me to look?
No.
Okay.
Oh, well, yeah.
I said I would.
Yeah, it's running.
Okay.
So if you find yourself in Dawson Creek and you're at the Kiskatinaw or whatever bridge,
But you better do it quick.
yeah, because they're closed, but come on down
Huh.
underneath.
They're taking it down.
Yeah, it's coming down. That's what I said. And come on down underneath and check out the structure.
Amazing.
I mean, it's a feat of engineering genius. And we have people talking.
There's what?
All right, gotta go, but come down here and check it out. See ya.
Bye.
A beaver in the water. Quite a spectacular feat of construction down here. All of these logs were taken off the hillsides here back in 1942 and 43, constructed by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. Then the really amazing part, I think, is the surface of the road above us. You can't see it from here, but they're like 2x8s on end and just nailed together the whole way. I mean, that's a lot of 2x8s. Home Depot wouldn't have enough room for it. Stunning down here.
I don't know if I think it's good. Oh, it's okay. I think too. I just don't know if it's good. Perfect.
This crazy group of people out here.
We're downtown Dawson Creek, and we are mural hunting on a walking tour. So here we go. So we're on our walking tour, and hold on. Am I recording? Yes. Okay. Oh, and Renee's got her 360. There it is. There's Renee. And we're gonna see what we can find in Dawson Creek. Bye. Bye.
Well, we were talking about it.
Exactly. Now tell me how to say it.
There's a city in Vancouver Island.
Checking out the menu.
Are you still busy, Dad? Awesome. And a bottle of water. Here's a bottle.
Beans and barley. In Dawson Creek.
And you guys can get a picture under the buffalo, like a little.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like.
And how about subscribing?
It's free.
Thanks for watching.